Hello everybody, my name is Splurge. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you set up your webcam for OBS when you're live streaming or recording for virtual reality. When you make a new scene, so you're clicking on this square down here, add scene, it'll pop up like this. I've already added a display capture to show you the example. When you click the plus sign over at sources, so this needs to be over at sources, you're going to go down and go to video capture. It shows a little camera symbol. Once you do that, if you already have your camera set up, it won't work. And that's the example for if you don't see it popping up. So right away, if you don't see it popping up, go to your old scene and then you see it already. I have it set up. You have to be sure to head on over to the webcam itself, right click it, go to properties, deactivate it on your old scene where you already had your camera. Go to your new scene, click on the camera, right click it, go to properties, deactivate and activate the camera that you want. In this case, it's the ZVE E10. Click OK. Now you have your camera. And to add the camera was again video capture device. And that wraps it up. Leave any comments down below if you have any questions.